Meaning of detestable.
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 Detestable. The word detestable is an adjective that describes something or someone as deserving to be hated or strongly disliked due to their unpleasant or repulsive nature. It implies a strong sense of disgust or revulsion towards the object of hatred. If something or someone is considered detestable, it means they are extremely unpleasant or hateful, and can provoke strong negative emotions in those who encounter them. It is a term often used to describe things or actions that are seen as morally reprehensible or unethical. Overall, it is a harsh way of expressing one's intense dislike towards something or someone.